Meet PayFlow. PayFlow is a fintech startup building a digital wallet and payment platform. The idea behind PayFlow is simple. Instead of traditional banking transfers, PayFlow allows people to send and receive money instantly through a mobile app or web application. From the outside, it looks like a lot of modern fintech apps. You create an account, connect a card and bank account, store money in your wallet, and then you can send payment to other users. PayFlow core products revolves around few key capabilities. As a user, you have a wallet that holds your balance. You can send money to another PayFlow user. Every payment is recorded in transaction history, so you can see what happened. The system sends notification when money is received or transferred. And internally, the company operates an admin dashboard used by support and operation teams. This is the type of product that seems straightforward at first glance. But when money is involved, reliability becomes extremely important. If a social media app fails, users get annoyed. If a payment platform fails, people panic. Who uses PayFlow? PayFlow's users fall into three main groups. The first group is individual users sending money to friends and family. The second group is freelancers receiving payment from clients. And the third group is a small business that want to accept digital payment. So every day, the system processes a growing number of financial transactions, which means the platform slowly becomes part of people's daily financial life. Now, let's look at the company behind the product. PayFlow was founded about 3 years ago by many startups. The company started small, a handful of engineers, a product idea, and a strong focus on moving fast. The early goal wasn't perfection, it was speed. When PayFlow first launched, the engineering teams focused on one thing: shaping features. In the early stage of a startup, this approach makes sense. You don't spend months designing the perfect system. You build something that works, release it, learn from users, and improve. And in PayFlow case, this approach worked. The product gained traction. Over time, users' numbers started increasing. More people created accounts, more transaction flows through the system, more businesses started using the platform to receive payment. And naturally, the product started expanding too. More features were added, more code you are written, more release you are pushed into production. Now let's look at the people building the system. PayFlow's engineering teams is relatively small. There's a CTO overseeing engineering, a few backend engineers building the core business logic, front-end engineer working on the user interface, Q&A helping with testing, and one engineer responsible of most operation work. This person handled infrastructures, deployments, servers, and production issues. From a technical perspective, the PayFlow platform looks something like this you are seeing. The application sits behind a load balancer that distributes incoming traffic. The backend application handles wallet logics, payments, transaction history, and notification. The backend stores transaction dates in a PostgreSQL database. Redis is used for caching and performance, and a notification service sends updates to users when transactions happen. This architecture is actually very common. Many successful startups begin with a structure like this. Every day, the engineering team works on improving the platform. Backend engineer add new capabilities. Front-end engineer update the interface. Q&A test new changes. And eventually, new version of the application are released. For a long time, this process worked perfectly fine. But something interesting begins to happen as the company grows. More users create more traffic. More features create more code creates more complexity, and more releases increase the chance that something might go wrong. The platform itself hasn't fundamentally changed, but the environment around it has. So at this point, PayFlow is a growing fintech company. The product works, customers are using it, transactions are flowing through the system every day, and engineering teams continue to build new features. From the outside, everything looks like a healthy growing status, but as we all start to see, growth often introduces new challenges inside the system. And sometimes those challenges don't disappear immediately, they slowly emerge as system scales.